Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to use Roku remote app without Wi-Fi. Let's go. Open settings. Network. Set up connection. Open phone settings. Find hotspot. Turn on hotspot on your phone. Choose wireless. Choose your hotspot network. Enter password. Open Roku app. Select your Roku TV. Remote zone. That's it. Now you know how to use Roku remote app without Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.